Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we've got something sweet and nutritious to talk about: eating dates on an empty stomach. You might be surprised by the incredible benefits this simple practice can offer. So, stick around till the end of this video to find out why starting your day with dates might just be the right choice for you. Let's dive right into it. Why should you consider eating dates on an empty stomach? Well, first off, dates are packed with essential nutrients. They're a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron. When you eat dates in the morning, your body gets an instant energy boost. The natural sugars in dates provide a quick source of energy, making them a perfect choice to kickstart your day, especially if you're heading for a workout or a busy morning. Dates are also fantastic for your digestive system. The high fiber content helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation. They contain soluble fiber, which aids in better digestion and can even prevent bloating. For those of you looking to manage your weight, dates can be your allies. They're relatively low in calories, which means you can satisfy your sweet tooth without worrying too much about your waistline. Your immune system will thank you for adding dates to your morning routine. They're rich in antioxidants, which can help boost your body's defenses against illnesses. Did you know that dates are a good source of minerals like potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus? These are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. So, if you're concerned about your bone health, consider incorporating dates into your daily diet. Dates may also support heart health. Potassium, found in abundance in dates, helps regulate blood pressure and can reduce the risk of stroke. Plus, the fiber content can contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Eating dates on an empty stomach may enhance mental alertness. The natural sugars provide a quick brain boost, helping you stay focused and alert in the morning. So there you have it, folks, the fantastic benefits of eating dates on an empty stomach. Whether you're seeking an energy boost, better digestion, or improved overall health, dates have got you covered. Keep in mind that while dates are incredibly nutritious, moderation is key. Don't go overboard. A few dates in the morning should suffice to reap these benefits. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, share your experiences with us in the comments below. Have you tried eating dates on an empty stomach? What changes did you notice? Let's start a conversation. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, your health is your wealth, and small changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements. So, here's to a healthier and happier you. Until next time, take care.